Hello friends, I hope you all are well. So now I am going to explain the folder structure of the project with the name polling system API, and that particular API will allow the user to create questions. Against each and every question there will be a provision to add the options. Then against each and every option there will be a provision to add the vote. And again, further, the added vote can be removed, the added options can be removed, followed by the question itself, which again can be removed. So here is the folder structure. The first folder is with the name config. Here I am maintaining this particular file which is responsible for the connection or for building the connection with the DB. Here is the folder in which all of the controllers that are going to interact with the DB for various type of operations, like to add the option, add vote, create the question, delete the option, delete or remove vote, right, view the final data are there. Another folder is with the name models, in which all the collection schemas are mentioned, like for vote, questions and the options. And the last folder is with the name routes, in which all the information related to the paths of the API are stored, like related to the options or the questions. Then text file will decide the route, whether the route needs to be sent to the option or the questions routes. And the rest of the files are the general files, like the server file will be responsible for initiating the instance of the server. So now let's discuss the APIs one by one. Here is the postman, right? Add question, send a request. Here is the question ID, right? I added this particular question and the status is question added. Now create the option against that particular question. See, option added, and here is the option ID against which we can add vote. See, vote get added. And now copy this particular option in order to remove the vote that we have added. See, vote removed. Now let's copy this particular option and let's delete that particular option that we have created previously. See, option deleted. So now the remaining options that we are left with, we done with the add question, create option, delete question is left, and the view data. Let's go with the delete question itself. See, question deleted. Now the view data, add the question ID here. Question not found. Let's add another question, because we deleted that question previously, that's why we are unable to see it. See, here is the data. Create option against that particular question. Option get created, view data. See, votes 0, options and other informations are there. Thanks, that's all.